Hey everybody, 414. Here's what we got. We got severe weather. We got lightning. We got thunder. We got wind. One big storm just passed. Here's the edge of another one. So I'm out doing some flyers. You can hear it. You can see it. Trying to catch a bolt. I sit here for a minute. See if I can catch one. It's everywhere. I know one will go off, but I ain't got much time. It's cold and I'm working. North Austin, severe storms passing through. Be blessed. Say a prayer for everybody. God bless you. Peace, Brother Nick.